Hi, good evening. Today is 1st of December 2021. Just about another 30 days to go for the new year. Are you prepared? Are you all prepared? How well prepared are you to welcome 2022? Right? So, if you are not prepared financially, get ready. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I'm partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires and Asta Trade and founder and chief mentor at StockPro. So I am going to discuss some stocks with you today, and I'm going to do the options analysis. But before I go on to that, I would like you to follow me on I would like you to please follow, like, subscribe, and share my videos. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Telegram, right? I'll just show you my Telegram channel. So here is my Telegram channel with 3,57,000 subscribers, and you get absolutely fresh stocks in the morning here. Like I have given idea for a buy at 10.2 a few days back. Today it made a high of 13.25, right? And I'm in a pretty good profit with that. And we conduct live trading session. The link of that is given on this particular channel. You can also get the good stocks, like I have given some beautiful stocks in the morning. Muthoot Finance at 1465, it made a high of 1477. I gave a buy on Lal Path and it made the full target of 50 points. And similarly, I have given TechM and a lot of others stocks. आज मार्केट बहुत ज़्यादा वॉलेटाइल था, मतलब मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा अनसर्टेनिटी थी. ये मैंने 15 मिनट मैंने निफ्टी का ग्राफ लगा रखा है, दिस इज 15 मिनट्स कैंडल, राइट? Can you see some special thing about this whole space, right? I mean to say, is there anything special that you can see about today's trading? If you can, then please write it in the comment box. I would like to hear, and I want to see what is your observation power. How much is your observation power? I am being able to see, um, you know, at least 3-4 points which are very important, right? This is Nifty index graph. You can see it on my screen, or you can put it on your screen wherever you want. And I can see about 3, 4, 5 things which are very predominantly projecting from this space. And then have a look at, Bank Nifty. It made a beautiful move, right? It made a beautiful breakout and it gave a good move up, right? So if you notice here, this is where the morning range was broken, and after that Bank Nifty has gone almost like 400 or 350 points up from this place, right? So that was Bank Nifty. Now, before I proceed on, let's do the option analysis as well. And first, I'm going to do analysis of Nifty's options chain. If you see till this point, we had all unwinding, right? All these spaces have unwinded, right? Whereas there is no unwinding happening on the put side, right? Now guys, you must also understand in options that it's divided into 4 parts, right? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, right? 1 and 4 are yellow and 2 and 3 are white. Always remember, you have to buy only from this region, which is yellow region. Remember that, right? You may see a lot of people, and when you have to sell options, you will sell from this region, right? Not from the yellow region. Yellow region is all in the money call options, and the white region is all OTM calls, right? OTM call, OTM put, right? A lot of people who don't have good information about options, they ask you to buy in OTM call option, right? If the price of the stock is, let's say Nifty is 17,200, they'll ask you to buy somewhere here, buy 17,400 call option. So this place is only and only purely for selling. If you want to know the reason, please write it in the comment box. I'll make the second part of my video where you will understand how it is important to know which stock, which which option to buy and which option to sell, right? So the 1 and 3, these yellow parts you will always buy, white parts you will always sell, right? Most of the people buy from here. मुझे समझ में यही आता है कि because they want to deploy least capital, that is why they want to buy from OTM call options or OTM put option, but that's not the way. It should always be in the money call or in the money put that you, when you want to buy, you should buy, right? Sell करना हो आपको तो you can come to this white region which is OTM. Okay, now this is one very important point. Please note it. If you find anybody giving it, you can rectify and tell them, though, this is not correct. What you're doing is not correct. Now let's see what is happening on the call side. On the call side, if I take till this point, right, which is about till 17,600, if we see, if I just add it up, I will add it up. This is 30. This is again 30, 60, 70. And this put together is again 40, right? So 70 plus 40 is 110, 110 and 120, 130, 145, and I'll take this as 20, 165, right? So this is 165. So I've taken 2 deep here. So 2 I'll take here, and I'm going to take about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. यहाँ तक हम ले लेते हैं और इसको कैलकुलेट करके देखते हैं कितना आता है, right? तो this is roughly about 25 and 16. I'll take it 15. So 25 plus 15 is 40, 100, 103 and 4, 103, and if I add it up, 120, 170, 180, 210 and 230, 240. So this is 240, and I think I have forgotten now what I did add it up. Let me just once again quickly do it. So this side is about 170, right? So the call writing kitni hai? Call writing is 1,70,000 and put writing is 240, right? So definitely put writers are stronger at this point of time, right? ये आज के दिन की बात है, प्लीज नोट माय वर्ड्स, ये आज के दिन की बात है, कल क्या डायनामिक्स होंगे वी डोंट नो। तो आज जो है पुट राइटिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर है कॉल राइटिंग से, राइट? तो मार्केट थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव नजर आता है। एक तो जीडीपी numbers have come pretty good, right? That was one point. And then Asian markets were pretty positive, and today European markets are also positive. So let's see how it goes tomorrow morning. But as of now, by looking at it, it simply shows us that there is a ratio of about I'll tell you 170 by 240, right? I'll just calculate it for you and we'll get to know the ratio. 170 divided by 240. So 1:2, or rather I will do the other way. 240 divided by 170. So 1:1 1.4 का ratio है, right? If this is 1, this is 1.4. This is 1:1.4 का ratio that we 240 by. So yeah, so the ratio is 1:1.4. So put writing is higher, definitely by about 40%. The put is higher, and hence market look आज के दिन पॉजिटिव था, राइट? सो अब मैंने आपको 2-3 क्वेश्चंस अभी तक पूछे, राइट? अगर आपको याद हो तो पहला क्वेश्चन मेरा है कि आपको निफ्टी में आज कुछ स्पेशल लगा, इस प्राइस एक्शन में कुछ स्पेशल लगा, क्या स्पेशल लगा वो आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए, राइट? मुझे इसमें 4-5 पॉइंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लगे, राइट? दूसरी बात, आप पॉइंट वाइज करके लिखिए। सी, अगर मैं 20 मिनट 10-15 मिनट एक वीडियो बनाने में लगा रही हूँ, मैंने कम से कम उसके ऊपर 1 घंटा या 1.5 घंटा मैंने स्पेंड किया है टू डू माई रिसर्च। आप एटलीस्ट 2-3 मिनट 4 मिनट तो लिख सकते हैं ना अपने कमेंट को लिखने के लिए। उसके बाद मैंने आपसे पूछा है दूसरा क्वेश्चन कि इस ऑप्शन चेन में हमको येलो पार्ट में क्यों बाय करना चाहिए और व्हाइट पार्ट में क्यों सेल करना चाहिए। ये मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन था आपसे, राइट। तो दोनों आपको एक का आंसर करना है, आप एक का आंसर करिए, आपको दो को आंसर करना है, आपको दोनों का आंसर करिए। फील फ्री, मोर यू विल राइट मोर आई विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन लर्निंग। ठीक है, अब हम चलते हैं आगे की बात करने के लिए कि कल के कौन से स्टॉक्स। हाँ, तो बिफोर आई गो ऑन मेरे को बैंक निफ्टी भी देखना है। बैंक निफ्टी में देखते हैं क्या सिचुएशन है। तो बैंक निफ्टी में देखते हैं कि बैंक निफ्टी में एक्चुअली इन ओटीएम कॉल भी अनवाइंड हो रही है। आप देखो यहाँ पे ये ओटीएम कॉल है वो भी अनवाइंड हो रही है। 36,500 पे भी, 36,600 पे भी अनवाइंडिंग हो रही है, विच इज अ वेरी गुड साइन। दैट मीन्स मार्केट वॉज पॉजिटिव टुडे। आगे कल क्या होगा हमको नहीं पता है। There has been huge call addition, put addition at the level of 36,000, right? यहाँ पे huge put additions हुए हैं at 44,400 contracts have been added up, right? और यहाँ पे अगर हम देखते हैं तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी call unwind हुई है, right? All in the money calls have been unwinded, मतलब all the levels unwinding has happened, और इनफैक्ट ओटीएम कॉल्स भी अनवाइंड हुई है, राइट। तो और उसके अलावा एक और चीज जो हम देख सकते हैं कि कॉल राइटिंग उसके बाद कितनी हुई है आज, तो बहुत मिनिमल हुई है, बहुत मिनिमल हुई है। वेयर इज द पुट राइटिंग हैज बीन क्वाइट डोमिनेटिंग विद दैट रिस्पेक्ट, राइट। अगर हम इन सबको ऐड करते हैं तो आई थिंक ये जितनी अनवाइंड हुई है वो सारा इसको जीरो कर देगा। और वेयर इज यू सी हियर देयर हैज बीन ह्यूज पुट राइटिंग दैट हैज बीन रिटन टुडे। तो ये आज का था। कल क्या होगा, कल की डायनामिक्स में हमको देखना पड़ेगा। प्लीज डू नॉट टेक ट्रेड बेस्ड ऑन दिस, एज आई हैव, ये लाइव मार्केट में आपको देखना पड़ता है कि कैसे ऑप्शंस अनवाइंड हो रहे हैं, कैसे ऑप्शंस राइट हो रहे हैं और अनवाइंड हो रहे हैं, राइट। वो आप कल मार्केट में देखोगे। आज जो हो चुका है उसको मैं देख रही हूँ, राइट। तो बैंक निफ्टी आज की जो इसकी ऑप्शन चेन है वो बहुत एज ऑफ नाउ इट लुक्स बुलिश, बट कल क्या होगा आई कांट से। अब आता है बात कि आज कौन कौन से सेक्टर्स ने मूवमेंट दिया है। तो डेफिनेटली जो सबसे ज्यादा मूवमेंट आया है वो पीएसयू बैंक में आया है, मेटल में आया है, प्राइवेट बैंक में आया है। बैंक निफ्टी में अच्छा खासा मूवमेंट है। और आप देखो मैंने एक चैनल ड्रॉ कर रखा है, बैंक निफ्टी का प्राइस उसी के अंदर है। अब इसी चैनल को देखते हुए एक इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल बैंक निफ्टी का निकल के आता है कि कल अगर बैंक निफ्टी इस चैनल को ब्रेक करना चाहिए, राइट। अगर ये चैनल ब्रेक होता है तो एक हमें थोड़ा सा अपवर्ड मूवमेंट की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, राइट। तो बैंक निफ्टी को 36,800 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग देनी है कल, राइट। समहाउ if it does that, or rather I would say कल इसको 36,900 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग देनी है, राइट। एंड दैट विल बी अ वेरी गुड लेवल फॉर बैंक निफ्टी टू नेक्स्ट डे। अगर परसों इसके ऊपर जाता है देन बैंक निफ्टी विल गिव अ रिवर्सल, राइट। तो आज कुछ स्टॉक्स जो मेरे रडार पे हैं, मैंने बहुत ज्यादा स्टॉक्स नहीं निकाले हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू क्विकली टॉक अबाउट द स्टॉक्स दैट आर ऑन माय रडार। पहला स्टॉक है HDFC AMC, राइट। ये मेरा फर्स्ट स्टॉक है टुडे, राइट। This is my first stock which you can keep on your radar, and our entry is going to be above 2570, right? 2575, sorry. Our entry is going to be above 2575, right? एंड आज का जो लो है वो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा और टारगेट क्या रहेगा। और ये सारे मेरे पोजिशनल स्टॉक है। आप स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा आज का लो विच इज 2500 एंड टारगेट रहेगा 2700 का, ठीक है। तो कुछ 75 पॉइंट्स का स्टॉप लॉस और 125 का टारगेट, 125 का टारगेट दैट कैन बी एक्सपेक्टेड। जो दूसरा स्टॉक मेरे रडार पे है वो है पावर ग्रिड, राइट। पावर ग्रिड कॉर्पोरेशन, and this looks very promising if this candle is taken out, right, by the price. If the volume comes, if the movement happens and this price is taken out, then which is 210, as I told you yesterday, कल के वीडियो में भी मैंने आपको बोला था कि 220 and 230 का टारगेट हम इस महीने देख सकते हैं, राइट। तो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट लेवल है 210 का, वो ब्रेक होना चाहिए। मैंने कल के वीडियो में भी बोला था और तीसरा स्टॉक जो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है वो है एस्कॉर्ट्स. एस्कॉर्ट्स is also looking good because for the see how it has what has happened in the stock in the past. Just have a look, यहाँ से ये कंसोलिडेशन जोन था, एक ब्रेकआउट आया, उसके बाद ये एक रेजिस्टेंस जोन था, राइट? So within this resistance zone, stock moved for 3 days, then again gave a volumetric breakout, right? Voluminous breakout. Then again it remained in 1, 2, 3, 4 days in range bound, then again a beautiful breakout. Now again 3 days, and if it gets an opportunity to go above 1890, you will see the targets of 2000, right? तो ये तीन stocks मेरे radar पे हैं, HDFC, AMC, Power Grid, Escorts. Although a lot of banking stocks have given reversal today, like उनमें से एक है ICICI Bank. This was also looking good, right? ICICI Bank has given a beautiful reversal from the bottom, and above this you will have an opportunity to enter 733 के ऊपर. So nice reversal you can see, right? See here it's formed a double bottom, right? This is a double bottom. See here, अगर आप इसको थोड़े से shorter time frame में देखते हैं, you don't need to draw any reversal level. You don't require Fibonacci or anything. Just read the price, right? It makes no difference whether it is on Fibonacci level or not. But see here, this is double bottom, right? This is double bottom, and double bottom means the price is respecting a certain level, right? Buyers are active over there. So this happened on 29th, and this happened on 30th, and after that it has given a breakout. Now price is standing on a resistance. Earlier that was a support, now this is a resistance. If this price is broken, this resistance is going to become a support, right? And you can expect a target of 770, right? Expect a target of 770, right? So or before that you will have a target of 750 के बाद 770 का target आपको मिलेगा. So that is ICICI Bank. So HDFC, AMC, Power Grid, Escorts, and this is ICICI Bank. So all the best, guys. Take care and see you tomorrow in the live market. Join me and trade along with me today in the live market. I have given 2-3 trades. One of them was 𝐈𝐵L Housing. The other was, although market was very volatile, right? So one trade was 𝐈𝐵L Housing. The other trade was IndusInd Bank. These were the 2 early morning trades that I had given, right? So in case you want to make money right early morning with me, join the live trading sessions, and I'll be happy. I'm 100% sure you'll make some good money along with us. Take care. Bye bye. Follow me on Twitter. Please share, like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share it with others, because I want more and more people to make money in stock market, right? It's a lot of hard work that I'm doing for you all. I just request you to people to get help more people become financially independent, right? My resolution is to at least reach out to about 100,000, a lakh of people on a daily basis, so that they can all make money. And I need your support for that. I need that I've been giving all my research for free, and I'll continue giving it for free, but my idea is to reach out to 1 lakh people. Take care. Bye bye. See you. And please write it in the comment box. I have asked you 2-3 questions. The more you will write, the more YouTube's algorithm will suggest it to other people. And please give a thumbs up if you like the content. Take care. Bye bye.